case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Hurlocker v. Medina, a 1994 case heard by the Court of Appeals of New Mexico, the plaintiff sought to create an easement by necessity for access to their landlocked 2.2-acre parcel. The parcel had been sold in 1984, leaving it without access, and was purchased by the plaintiff in 1992. The plaintiff requested an easement on an adjacent Lot 13, owned by the defendants. The district court, however, denied the easement due to a lack of unity of title between the two parcels. The plaintiff appealed, arguing that an easement by necessity could be established with reasonable necessity at the time of severance, regardless of whether the parcels were created out of a single undivided tract. The Court of Appeals agreed, stating that the intent of the parties was the most important factor in determining the existence of an easement by necessity, rather than strict unity of title. The court held that the district court had misinterpreted unity of title requirements and emphasized the importance of the parties' intent in creating easements by necessity. Due to unclear intent in the case, the court deemed summary judgment inappropriate and remanded the case back to the district court for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.